Did you know that there's a job for designing guitars?
I didn't until one day
in choir.
Okay, class, don't forget that we have our Earth Day concert coming up. We need to practice America the Beautiful. But first, we have some special guests here from Martin Guitar. They have a special guitar. They want to show it to you.
So it's a model that's called the 000, a celebration of Earth Day with a graphic that is a printed piece of art.
Ramin played America the Beautiful on the Earth guitar, which is the first ever guitar designed with absolutely no plastic
And an FSC certification. That means all the wood comes from responsibly managed forests.
We also learned about other guitars.
The Dreadnought, powerful enough to be heard even without amplification or a microphone, something that you can play many different styles of music on.
The SC13E.
What makes it so unique is a new type of neck joint which doesn't have the heel, and how easy it is to play all the way up the neck.
The SC13 is also the president of Martin Guitar favorite guitar.
It takes anywhere from a month to half a year, very decorated instrument, to be produced. It's a mixture today of automated processes to hand building. There's science, there's geometry, there's math, and there's music.
What's really wonderful about music is everyone is passionate about music.
What's cool about manufacturing is we're able to come up with a concept or an idea, make something physical and tangible with it. It's a living piece of art.
You are a living piece of art.
Thank you. So are you.
No. You are.